Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is how I organized another corner of my bathroom. Of course, that's all has to be cleaned off one day. There's the toilet paper, peroxide, rubbing alcohol, Johnny Cat liners, washcloths and towels for drying your hands, more towels, more soap, and more towels. My calendar, and my little picture. So, this keeps things a little more neat than it was. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day, a great weekend, a great evening. Stay dry, stay wet, stay cool. Join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content you see nowhere else. Click the like button, make nice comments, and get your friends to subscribe and watch the videos. I'll be back on later with a live video. Gotta go feed the cats. Talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.